Hey, what's up, dude? This is a weird route, but I just did it 8:30 in one of the fastest cars in the world. Yeah, I don't know. I feel like I could have gone faster, but I was filming.
Don't beat yourself up, man.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
Do you feel like you're proud of yourself?
Yeah, it's serious, man. This is a serious car for a serious man.
Welcome back to Parker's Boba review.
Yeah, so
This is
D&T. Compliments to the chef because this is just, I haven't tried it yet, but it looks great.
it's great, right?
Yeah.
I imagine. What'd you get?
I got the Thai iced tea with honey boba in there.
Oh, you got honey boba.
Yeah.
You're pretty confident going into this that you think it'll be all right?
I think so. I think I'll have a good time and overall just good vibes.
Good. Well, I'm excited for you. Let's go ahead and get the first sip and get the results in.
Alright.
Mike, you've had boba in your whole life?
Oh, dude, my whole life.
Ever?
Yeah.
Oh, it's your first time, right?
Yeah. Hold on.
I'm Asian.
That might give it away. Next. Oh.
Oh, boba's still hot.
Hot boba? Alright, scale of 1 to 10, what are you thinking?
Really chewy. Really slimy.
So where does that fall on the level of 1 to 10?
Say, let me go again.
It needs a 7th sip.
8.
Good. Alright, well stay tuned for our order coming up soon.
Alright. Hello. Good morning. It's super early. I think it's like 7:30 or so. I'm really tired. We just got over to SSR Performance because we're meeting Brady here. Spencer's doing another feature film on his car. He did one before, which is the one where we went to Azusa Canyon. I made a video on that as well, and that was like one of Spencer's like really popular videos. So Brady's done a ton of other stuff to the car, so he's gonna do another feature film, and I'm kind of just tagging along to help out and get some shots of my own. So yeah, this car is really sick. It's wrapped. Unfortunately, he's actually getting rid of it. So after this morning, he is gonna be parting out this car. Kind of sad days, but all good things come to an end. What's up?
much is.
See ya.
Oh! That felt too close for comfort.
Crunchy.
Super crunchy.
Oh!
I ran over train tracks and lost my phone.
It's probably.
Oh!
Oh my god. You're not having a good time.
No, this is not fun. Where the fuck?
So we just finished up filming with Brady. I drove Spencer's car for a little bit. Every time I drive this car, I realize how much I love the E92 M3 and E90. I just love this transmission. The DCT is like so perfect for this car. I wish the E46 M3 had a DCT option because I think it would suit that car really well.
That would be sick.
Just because it's the same sort of engine. Like you have to rev it out, and the torque is not like it has no torque down low. So yeah, I wish they had that option. But now we're gonna go head over to Crystal Cove, right?
Let's go, Newport Beach.
Yeah, get some coffee. So see you there. Oh! God damn.
Oh!
Yo, if you saw my last video, you know I want a Ducati.
Desmo Sedici.
Got Ducati Newport Beach right there. I want a Desmo Sedici.
Desmo Bonaducci RR.
But where'd you get Bonaducci?
That's a famous actor, I'm pretty
Oh, Bonaduce.
Bonaducci.
Aha. That shit says Beach City before ants.
Before ants.
What is this baby camera, bro?
Yo, chill.
crushes
Hey,
it.
stop hurting my feelings.
This
Like
is
that.
my camera,
Fucking Jaden. Yo, that's your friend. It's your friend right there.
My friend?
Yeah. No, it's not anymore. So we just found this 335, or Mariano did. He was attracted to this thing, but we started to realize that the stickers aren't really true.
Look at the wheels. What do we got? I don't know.
I don't even know what those are, but the sticker over there says BBS. It says Sparko on there.
What are the seats?
And what? You can't even see, but it's stock seats and stock steering wheel. Sparko makes steering wheels too, but
We gotta talk to this guy.
Damn.
What the one lady with the she walked away, she said, "Hey, mind if I get you to sign up?" I said, And then she walked away to go get information. Occasionally, like, how this gets fitted, like, how this is it.
Hey Nate, would you whip this hoe?
Oh, dude, if it has a freaking like tires, rims, and the engine, I'm whipping whatever, bro. It doesn't matter.
It's simple. It's simple, really.
I'll be whipping in luxury, bro.
Ooh,
Look at this.
Damn.
I don't know.
Look at that. This is what you would do, right? You would turn it into like kind of a cup car.
Yeah, no, 100%. This is like a cup style like wing.
Yeah.
This is so nice.
Looks
And it has like
sick.
a nice like contrast with the red cage.
Yeah. It's got the little fog light down there.
Yeah. No, this is sick,
I
bro.
wonder if he actually tracks this. I'm sure he does. It's got some Moton suspension. It's pretty dope.
Do you have the center locks going on?
Yeah.
Dude, those,
sure this shit's
those
so
have to be
fun.
torqued down so like.
Yeah, it's like
hard.
600 or
Dude,
something.
it's something crazy.
Yeah.
That's like a perfect 911. shoe called Instagram.
They're Kirkland socks from Costco.
No, they're not. Yo, Costco.
That's a great ass price, bro.
Yo, Costco. I don't give a fuck. I don't give a fuck, bro. They're not Costco. They're not Costco.
I think they are.
They're not Costco, but if they were, I still don't care. Bro, you can't even get inside Costco.
Yo, those navy blue or black, bro?
You got me there.